So when you arrive, you can park the car pretty close to the waterfall, more or less 10 minutes walking, always up. And so down there below those houses, that's the parking space. And then those houses there are it's actually like some sort of hotel and restaurant. And I have to say, the food is like in almost all restaurants next to big attractions, excessively expensive. You wait too long for things, the food is not very awesome, the waitresses are completely overloaded, the usual. But anyway, so over there you can see the Alps, and then you come up here, and here you can see, so this is the way to the upper waterfall, and over there where that bridge is the way to the under waterfall, so the below waterfall. And it's pretty here. There's a little river. Here is the waterfall. From the bridge down there, you can come up, and so there's this way, and then you see the top part. So there it says life danger. So that means you should not swim there. So we followed the waterfall a little more up, and a few meters up there was already another parking space. There is also a picnic area where here next to the parking space where people are just making picnics, and here you have the river. So far I have to say that it's not really my type of waterfall. It's nice to come if you just want to park your car and see a waterfall, then it's a nice waterfall. But if you're into like you know, just hiking a little and you know, going into the nature, away from civilization, then definitely this is not the type of waterfall you should visit. There is a lot of people here, and there is not much, you're not able to go much into nature. There's cars everywhere, road, people, yeah, but other than that, it's a pretty waterfall. We are now going to the lower waterfall, and this is a much prettier way. First of all, there's no one here, and second, the way it's so cute. You just go through this little road. We are now next to the waterfall. Look at the way it's so cute. And the waterfall. See that bridge up there? That's where we were in the beginning. So the waterfall